Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to download an email in Microsoft Outlook. This is useful when we want to save important messages for offline access or backup purposes. Now let's get started. On the Microsoft Outlook dashboard, to download an email, we first need to open the email we want to download. For example, in the Jobs folder, simply click the email we want to download. Let's use this one. To download it, click File and then click Download. Here, we can save it as an EML file or an MSG file. We just pick the format we prefer. Let's go with the MSG file and download it. As we can see, the download is complete. We can now go to the Downloads folder. We can see it is saved here as an MSG file. We can also download it in a different format, like EML. As we can see, it has been saved as an EML file on the desktop. This is a simple way to save emails from Microsoft Outlook directly to our device, so we can keep important emails stored safely. With this method, we can easily save and access our emails anytime.